Welcome to this video on Fluency Direct, how to create and use AutoText. Speed up your documentation by using AutoText. The AutoText commands you create with Fluency Direct can be used in a variety of places within the EPR, such as ad hoc forms, workflows, document viewing, and document creation. Additionally, Fluency Direct works with applications such as Microsoft's Word, Outlook, OneNote, Windows Notepad, and more. The Philips SpeechMic Pro is the trust-recommended microphone for use with Fluency Direct. Press the record button, speak into the microphone, and your spoken words are recognized and rendered as text. Please note, in order for voice-to-text recognition to work, Fluency Direct needs to be both launched and logged into. The presence of the Fluency Direct icon with a blue line underneath it in the Windows taskbar found at the bottom of the screen indicates Fluency Direct has been launched. Also, the Fluency Direct pill will appear on your screen. Now, if you have an active account, it should automatically recognize based on your Windows login and populate with your name. This indicates you're logged in. You will use the play button on your microphone to correct dictation errors and to insert AutoText, as these are their voice commands. Use of the play button lets the software know that it is listening for a command and not to render the spoken word as text. Let's create an AutoText. Fluency Direct has already been launched, followed by eRecord, and I'm in a patient record on an ad hoc note with my cursor in the free text field. I'm going to dictate a few headings so that I can create a template for this type of note, and I'll save it as AutoText. I'm going to dictate into the free text field by pressing the record button on my microphone and speak into it. Alternatively, you could type the text. Presenting complaints, next line, next line. History of presenting complaints, next line, next line. On examination, next line, next line. Background, next line, next line. Impressions, next line, next line. I select all by pressing the play button and issue the command select all. Select all. The selected text appears highlighted in blue. Now I'm going to save the text by pressing the play button and issue the command save text. Save text. Fluency Direct responds by opening the Add a Command window. The cursor is already in the name field. When naming AutoText, start with the word insert, followed by a word or two that is relative to the contents of the AutoText. I will dictate the name of the AutoText by pressing the record button, as it is meant to be voice-to-text recognition this time. Insert headings. On the right, text can be viewed and corrected. If everything looks fine, click Apply and then OK. Let's use the AutoText we've just created. Place the cursor in the free text field, press play on your microphone and say Insert Headings. Insert Headings. And our AutoText has been inserted. If you wish to review all of the AutoText commands you've created with Fluency Direct, issue the command Open Commands. Open Commands. In the command group list, you'll have a listing with your name, and on the right, you can see all of the commands you've created. Here's the one I created earlier, Insert Headings. If I click on that, I can see the body of the AutoText and correct if required. From the Manage Command window, you can also directly create AutoText. Just click on the plus add button and a new window opens. As an example, let's create a simple signature AutoText. I'll name it Insert Signature. Insert Signature. And because it's made of text, I'll click on the Text button. For the body of the AutoText, you can copy and paste from a file, or type or dictate. When finished, click on Apply and then OK. The new command appears in my list of personal commands. For further assistance, please contact the IT training team. Also, please report issues to Service Desk. If we don't know about a problem, we can't fix it.